Hello everybody, welcome to the class website. Today we will be talking about the future. So thank you for coming, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you don't have any questions. Today's session will be divided in three parts. The first part where you will be here at the lab from 9 to 11, working on units 3C and 3D. Then you will go down to the classroom and you will be working with your workbook from 11 to 12, more or less. At 12 o'clock, Paco will come to the classroom and he will give you 1 hour class. Please remember that you can ask any questions and he will help you in any way that he can, okay? So let's get started. Last class we worked on the future, but we were working on the future using going to. That is, the verb to be, is or are, plus going to, plus the verb. We mentioned that we use going to talk about arrangements, plans, and predictions. But remember, be careful, when we use going to talk about predictions, we have to have evidence. For example, the sky is very dark, it's going to rain. In such cases we can use it, but please do remember, we have to be sure, or at least we're giving the impression that we are sure, that we have evidence to say this. We will be working now on the future. The future simple. Now the future simple is formed with the modal verb will plus not, if we want to make it negative, won't, plus the base form. So we have will, won't, plus the base form. How do we use the future? Well, we use it to express predictions. In this case, evidence is not necessary. For example, I'll go to the beach next month. I'm just predicting that. I have no evidence. I'm not sure. Now, we also have three other uses that are the ones that we will be working in this unit, that are to make promises, to make offers, or to make instant decisions. To approach this topic, please be careful. It doesn't work like Spanish. In Spanish, we do have a tendency to prefer going to talk about the future. And sometimes when we make either instant decisions or offers, we also tend to use other tenses, like the present simple. So, please be careful. Rather than us translating, it's better to look at the sentence, look at what you want to say, and see the function. If it is a plan, an arrangement, a prediction with evidence, use going to. If it's a prediction in general, an offer, an instant decision, or a promise, use the future simple. Now remember, we can also use the present continuous to talk about the future. If we do so, we need a future time expression. For example, I'm going to the movies. Not at this moment. I'm going to the movies tonight. And then I can have a future time expression that will make it clear that it's not at this moment that I'm going to the movies. Okay? So let's get started. What you will do next is the following. After watching this video, click down below where you have the audios. Please answer your workbook here and your book on section 3C. This is the section that we need, okay? Follow the links by watching the videos. When you finish, click on the video down below where you can read, when you can see the answers and you can check yourselves. Then move on to section 3D, which will be a different video, where you will have the explanation, and then again follow the same pattern. Do the book, check your answers, and then close your book. When you finish doing 3C and 3D, the idea is to click down the links below where you can have extra practice. If it's already 11 o'clock, then what will happen is you will go downstairs and work on the workbook, exactly on these sections, section 3C and section 3D. And then you will have the class with Paco, and you can make sure you have no questions about these two sections. Okay? Well, if you have any questions, you can also email me. I promise I'll try to take a look and see how's everything. And well, thank you so much for all your support, and I hope these videos are clear and you have no problems. Okay, see you soon. Bye.